Okay, so Holly and I have snuck into 6th grade, and we want to just give everybody some measurements and a little bit of layout for what the room's going to look like. You'll notice that there's carpet on the floor, which is super exciting. And then I'll walk over this way. Here's the run of tile as you enter the classroom. So the flooring's going in today. That's awesome. I'm gonna walk over. We're gonna start where your tack boards are, and Holly's gonna measure quick so you guys can know and maybe plan a little bit for what you want to put up here. So measurements are
4 feet by 4 feet.
Okay, so that one's 4 by 4 feet, and then right next to it is your dry erase board. This would be the east wall of the 6th grade classroom. Out the windows. And then here's another tack board, what would be the west end of the 6th grade classroom, and we'll measure this one too.
4 feet by 4 feet.
Another 4 by 4 square. And then dry erase on the west wall.
And this one's longer.
Yep, and that one's a little bit longer. So I'm guessing we have another 4 by 4 right here.
I'm just thinking it is.
Okay, and then, oops,
Yep.
finish. And then there is one more tack board.
This one's a little longer.
So this one, yeah, measures just a little bit different.
6 feet by 4 feet.
6 by 4. So that's what's in each one of the classrooms in the run of rooms. So there's 3 4 by 4 bulletin boards and a 4 by 6 and those 2 whiteboards. So here's the run of cabinets as you enter the classroom. So there's the classroom door, and here's the first run of cabinets. The doors obviously aren't on right now, but you'll notice when I start on this side, here's the wardrobe that'll lock, but a place to hang your coat and put your purse or do whatever you want to. There's just that one shelf at the top in the rod, okay? And then next to it, I don't know what that measurement is. Trying not to trip over the toolbox that's behind me on the floor.
Depth or width?
Do the depth.
The depth is about 22 inches, so
Okay.
not quite 2 feet deep.
Okay.
Close to 2 feet. And then width, you got about 3 feet.
Okay. And that one does, you'll notice, have the holes for adjustable shelving on the top and on the bottom. Okay. And then underneath this stack of lumber is the countertop with cupboards up above. And what's the depth of those?
This is a little bit narrower because you need to have it above the counter. So it's about 1 foot deep.
Okay.
And then the width is about 3 feet.
Okay.
And looks like there's 3 of those.
Okay, 3 of those on top. And again, they have the holes on the side to adjust your shelving. So 3 across the top, the countertop, and then the bottom, that first cupboard down below has those like 3 slots in it. Those do not move. And there's not any adjustable shelving really in there. There's a couple slots at the top and bottom.
And it's 22 inches deep again.
22 on the bottom. And then next to it, you have another cupboard. This one does have adjustable shelving in it. And then this last one is where your sink and drinking fountain will be with a little bit of storage underneath. So that's the inside of all the classrooms. There's purple on the walls. Oh, I forgot. There's cabinets over here too.
We got all kinds of cabinets.
Okay. I'm going to back way up.
This one's the same depth, 22 inch.
22.
Width, probably 3 feet wide on this one.
Okay.
So similar to the one that's right next to your wardrobe.
Okay.
Probably exactly the same. And then these would be the same as those high ones. If I can't open this because of that. I can't get that open because of it being blocked. But these would be the same as your high ones. So they're 3 feet, but the depth is going to be more like 1 foot.
Okay. And they do. Okay, so I just want to make sure I got this part on video. So here's the upper and lower cabinet run with adjustable shelving on the inside. And here's the run of cabinets in the alcove where the kids used to hang their coats and backpacks. So there's 6 of these shelving units in the hallway, and they're 12 inches deep. So every teacher will have 3 of those in the alcove. One last thing I want to show you too. This is your light switch. So you have zones in your room, so you can have part of your lights on or off. You can have them all on, and then you can also dim them. It's taking a little while to go as I hold it. Raise. Oops. Yeah. Here's our lower. There it goes.
Steep learning curve for us.
So you can dim one side of your room and keep the other one bright depending on your projector and what you're doing with your kids. So anyway, there's a little update of what your rooms look like. Progress, progress. We're going to make it.